Hello, kindergarten. All right, so today we are going to review how to use a number line to compare numbers 0 to 15. So let's remember a number line is one of our strategies that we can use to help us compare numbers. That means tell what is greater or bigger. Think great means big, less is the smaller numbers. We can also use a number line as a strategy when solving addition and subtraction. Today we're focusing on just comparing numbers, looking at what's bigger and what's smaller. So let's make sure that you have your worksheet and a pencil. First thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil.
And write my name.
Okay, so I'm gonna write my name. Make sure you write your name on your paper. And as always, remember, if you need extra time, go ahead and you can pause the video and then hit play when you're ready to keep going. All right. I've got my name written on there. Let's look at our review box. Remember, our box right here, review, that means it goes over what we've already learned. So this is our lesson from yesterday. So in this box, you can use drawings and a number line to help you compare numbers. 11 is greater than 7. So here they've drawn the counters for us. We can see that they drew 7 counters under 7, and then they drew 11 under the number 11. So we can see that 11 has more, so we say that's the greater number. It's bigger. And then 7 has less. It has the fewest or the smallest numbers. So now let's look down here at number 1. The first thing I want you to do is look at the number line starting at 0. You're going to fill in those missing numbers here on that number line. All right. So I'm going to put this down because I want you to do that on your own. You're going to write in the missing numbers. Here, I'll do this first one with you just so we have 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 more than 3 is what?
4.
4, great job. So I'm going to make sure I write the number 4 there. All right, I want you to keep going and you're going to write down the missing numbers. All right. All right. If you need a little bit more time, pause it. Otherwise, we're going to take a look and go over that one, okay? So let's look here. So I had 0, 1, 2, 3. I wrote 4, 5, 6. Next is 7, 8, 9. I wrote the number 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make sure you wrote in the correct numbers and you didn't skip a number. I know sometimes some of us have been skipping that number 13. Make sure you've written all of those numbers correctly. Remember, our teen numbers, the 1 is first. So make sure you have those written down correctly. Take one look again. Does your number line look like mine? Check. All right. Next, we're going to flip the page over. Okay, so next we're going to work on comparing numbers. So let's remember when we say greater, that means the bigger number. Less is the smaller number. Well, what about when I say what number is equal? What does the word equal mean?
The same as.
That's right. Equal means the same as. Okay, so say that with me. Equal.
Equal.
The same as.
The same as.
Great job. So when we're comparing numbers, if I'm asking you to find what number is equal to 4, what number is the same as 4?
4.
4. Good job. That means it's the same amount. I can't say, oh, 5. 5 is equal. 5 is not equal to 4. It is not the same. It's 1 more than 4. 14 is not equal to 4.
It's 10 more than 4.
That is 10 more than 4. That's right. All right, so now let's look back at our number line here. Okay, let's look at our number line. It says, which number is equal to 12? So for number 2 right here, which number is equal to 12? You're going to find number 12 on the number line, and you're going to circle which number is equal to 12. I'm going to have you do this one on your own. So for this one, you're circling which number on this number line is equal to 12. Okay. Let's look down here at number 3. Remember, if you need extra time, pause it. All right, so for number 3 right here, make sure you're on this one. Which number is less 6 or 10? So for this one, you're going to circle which number is less 6 or 10. Which number is less, 6 or 10? So find those numbers on the number line, and you're going to circle which one is less. Okay. Let's look down here at number 4. Which number is greater, 14 or 12? Circle the number that is greater, 14 or 12. So that's this one. You're circling which number is greater, 14 or 12. All right. Let's come back up here. We're going to check our work. Remember, when you go up the number line, the numbers get bigger or greater. When you go down the number line, the numbers get smaller or less. Excuse me. So let's look back at this. What number is equal to 12? That means the same as 12. So that means I need to find the number 12. If I can't remember what the number 12 looks like, I know I can start at 0 and count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12. You should have the number 12 circled. 12 is equal to 12. 12 is the same as 12. Let's look down here at number 3. This one was, which number is less, 6 or 10? So I'm going to take a look here. I see, oh, here's 6. Here's 10. Which number is less? This one is down the number line, so I know that means that that has less, that the fewest or the smallest number. So you should have 6 circled. All right, next, number 4. Which number is greater, 14 or 12? 14 or 12. Which is greater? That means bigger, so I'm looking for the bigger number. Here's 12. Here's 14. I know that this one is farther up the number line, so that means it's more. It's greater. So you should have the number 14 circled. All right, friends. Great job. Remember, each one of these lines on the number line goes up 1. So as you go up higher, it's greater. As you go down and count back on the number line, the numbers get smaller. They're less than. When you're looking for equal to, that means the same number. It is the same amount. Okay? Great work today, friends. I am proud of you. You guys are oh so smart. I will see you next time.